guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it looks a little different in here, right? And that's because I rearranged my whole entire bedroom in preparation for a baby. I am in full-on nesting mode right now, so things have kind of shifted a little bit in my room. Today we are talking about the Glossybox Advent Calendar, and you know what? I love Advent calendars, you guys. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know I'm a huge fan of Advent calendars, especially like the makeup Advent calendars. Costco has a wine Advent calendar. If I was not pregnant, I would be all over that. This is a huge one. Look at how big it is. When I got this in the mail, I was like, holy cow. This is supposedly a $550 value. Retails for $99, but they did give me a $10 off coupon code, so I will link it in my description box along with everything else, all the information you need to know down below so you can check it out. And this is a full Advent calendar, which means there are 25 things in here. We're gonna stop blabbing. We're gonna get into digging into this. Okay, so when you open this big mamma jamma up, there is a little spoiler guide here, and then you have, what is this, 4 drawers, and when you pull out each drawer, there is a little box, and I don't think they're in order. Yeah, so we're gonna have to go on a little bit of a treasure hunt. All right, day one smells very fragrant, very lavender-y. I think that's exactly what it is. Oh, Perfect Night's Sleep Scented Candle, English Lavender. I called that lavender. Lavender has a very distinct smell to me. So this is a pretty decent size. I mean, it's definitely still a mini size or deluxe size candle. It's not gonna be your full, you know, Bath & Body Works 3-wick candle, but still a really decent size. Definitely smells like lavender. Okay, day 2 is hairspray or setting spray. It's by Authentic Beauty Concept. This is their Stronghold hairspray. I'm glad I didn't like spray it all over my face. It smells really good for a hairspray. I actually really like the smell of hairspray. Anybody else with me? This retails for $10. The candle retails for $18.50, by the way. You know, for me right now, opening all of these at once, the treasure hunt is kind of annoying, but if you were opening this in December, like a real Advent calendar, it might be kind of fun to like go on a little treasure hunt every day to find it. So we have box number 3 right here. And this is by the brand Lumix. I feel like Lumix is a very popular brand amongst beauty boxes, or like the subscription boxes, the mystery boxes. This is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, a $16 value. If you only need a pea-sized amount, this will last you forever. It's 1 full fluid ounce. Box number 4, or day number 4, is humongous. December 4th is my mom's birthday. Fun fact, not that it matters. Okay, so this is definitely a full-size product. This is by Makeup Eraser. So this just looks like it's the original makeup eraser. I actually really like these. I use one all the time to get my makeup off. These are great. All you need is water and they take your makeup off. These retail for $20 if you buy them at like Sephora. Okay, day number 5. This box is heavy. Oh, okay. By Glow Recipe. This is a deluxe, probably a mini size. I wouldn't say travel or sample or deluxe, maybe more like a mini, of the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have tried this before. I love it a lot. I want to say it is not pregnancy safe. Yeah, there's AHA in it. So this size right here retails for $22. And yeah, you put it on basically at nighttime before you go to bed. And when you wake up, your skin is like plump and amazing. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Okay, day number 6 is very lightweight box. Something small in here, it looks like. This is by the brand Polar, and it is a hand cream. Okay, it looks like it's in like a different language, French maybe? An $8 value. The full size retails for $22 actually. So this just says it has vitamins A, E, C, all that good stuff. Your hands have never been softer. Okay, day number 7 is a little interesting sized box. Very small product for this box. Is this full size? What is this? Blush on Cheek Stick. Okay, by the brand Miko Beauty. Haven't heard of that brand before. So this actually says it is full size and this retails for $16. So it's just a cream blush stick. You could use it on your cheeks or your eyes or your lips. Really pretty color, really pigmented. I really like little blush sticks like this. Okay, day 8. Let's open this baby up. Heavy. This is by the brand Figs and Rouge, I think. And this is their It just says clarity on it. What is this? Full-size product retails for $58. It is a skin perfecting serum drops. Ooh, I love serums. It says to place 4 to 6 drops and massage into your T-zone. Follow with your normal skincare routine, exfoliating and unclogging pores while reducing dry and uneven skin. So this makes me think that I probably cannot use it during pregnancy because there's probably some sort of chemical exfoliant in here. Oh, cute package. Glass bottle. I love the mint green. I have never seen a skincare line with mint green packaging. It has kind of like a coconut scent to it. Okay, day 9 feels kind of sort of lightweight. Oh, big box in here. So this is by the brand Cobb, K-A-B, liner and lip gloss. Okay, so this says it's full size. This is a $38 value and it's in the color Charmed. Oh no, Charming. A dusty pink red maybe. Really pretty for like fall time or even springtime. Pointy tip on the lip liner. This is like one of those plastic containers but that you can sharpen, kind of like the Too Faced eyeliners. All right, day 10. December 10th is my dad's birthday. Another fun fact for you. So this is, oh, Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. This is one of my favorite perfumes. I actually don't have a full-size bottle of this right now. You can kind of see, oh, I'm blocking it. All my perfumes are in my vanity right behind me. Sometimes, this is a very expensive perfume. So this is a deluxe size sample and it retails for $28. Yeah, the full size is $165. So I don't buy the full size very often, but this is a cute little size. I, like I said, love this perfume. It has a very nice, like, I don't want to say powdery, because that reminds me of old lady when you say powdery. It has like a soft, we're gonna say powdery, but it's not the powdery you're thinking of, sweet floral. So soft, powdery, sweet floral scent to it. It's very like grown up, but not like mature. You know what I mean? Okay, day 11 is, oh, how cute is this? It looks like it's a little exfoliating brush. Okay, what brand is this? This is the After Spa. This is a full-size product and it is their Daily Facial Dry Brush. Retails for $20. I've never used a dry brush on my face. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like that's kind of a bad idea. It supposedly increases circulation and reduces puffiness. Okay, day 12 is another brush, it looks like. So this is by the brand Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is a full-size product. Retails for $20, and this is their mini kabuki brush. Okay, day 13. Let's see what day 13 looks like. Heavy bottle. So this is Glossybox Skincare. I didn't know that they had their own skincare line. That's pretty cool. Hydrating Mist. So this tones, primes, and refreshes. Okay, so this is a face mist. This is something I can put on my face. This has hyaluronic acid and a couple of different oils in it, it looks like. It definitely has a fine mist. Very, very slight fragrance to it. So this is a full-size product. It retails for $21. Okay, day 14. Okay, so day 14 is One Kind Beauty. This is definitely like a deluxe size sample of something. Pore Perfectionist, Refining Facial, Pink Clay, AHA, BHA. Okay, so this is a deluxe size. It just says it's a facial. Apply 1 to 2 times a week to clean dry skin, rinse well after 10 minutes. So it's a facial mask. This retails for $10. This size, there is salicylic acid in it. All right, day 15 has, am I missing a product? Okay, so I think I'm supposed to have a shampoo and a conditioner, but my box definitely only has one bottle in it. That's a bummer. Okay, well, this is by the brand Fakai. Really good brand. They used to sell it at Ulta. They also used to sell it at Bath & Body Works. Fun fact for you, like way back in the day. So these retail for $8 each. This is their full-blown shampoo and conditioner. It looks like I got the shampoo. I did not get the conditioner. Bummer. Okay, day 16, huge box, teeny tiny product. Nothing extra in there. I'm like hoping my conditioner shows up in another box. It probably won't. This is by the brand, it looks like Josephine, and it looks like it's maybe an eyeliner. It says I Define. So this is a full-size product, retails for $25. It is a graphic eyeliner, yes. It looks like it's a marker felt tip pencil. I don't use liquid liners very often, but when I do, this is the kind I use with like the tips just like this. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm almost like I use the Kat Von D one right now and it's almost all dry. So this is perfect. Okay, day 17. I'm feeling like this is a very skincare heavy box. Typically Glossybox is very heavy with the skincare, so that doesn't surprise me. This is by the brand, is it Earth Harbor is the brand? Let's see. Yeah, Earth Harbor. This is a full-size product, retails for $46. This is their Clarity Ampule. I don't know what that means. Let's see, it's a glow-enhancing elixir. I still don't know what that means. Is it like a serum? It says to apply a few drops after cleansing and toning. Okay, yeah, so it's definitely like a serum type thing. Bottle is really pretty. It has like this ombre purple. I love products with a little dropper. All right, on to day 18. We're almost there. Let's see. Small product in here because it's hiding. That's all that was in there? Okay, this is an itty bitty size. Illamasqua, have heard of that brand before, so this is not what I was supposed to get. Yeah, okay, well, my day 18 in my pamphlet is totally different. It says it's supposed to be a full-size eyeshadow. No. This is not an eyeshadow. This is definitely a highlighter and it is itty bitty teeny tiny. So I wonder if they like ran out of the product or something. That's a bummer because the eyeshadow is two different colors, purple and black. What can you do? Okay, next up is day 19. So this is a nail lacquer by the brand Deco Miami, the pamphlet says. So this is full size, retails for $8. It says color may vary, so I don't think they had like a set color that they were giving everybody. Oh yeah, okay, definitely like a summer color. I'm not gonna wear this right now. It's actually kind of similar to my nail color, although my nail color is a little bit more raspberry. This is definitely more of like a tangerine. All right, day 20. By the way, my baby's due date is the 19th, so special day for us. Okay, so day 20 is First Aid Beauty. Love First Aid Beauty. Ultra Repair Cream. Love this product. This is definitely like a deluxe size sample. This size retails for $5. That makes sense. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your hands, you can use it on your body, you could use it anywhere. I use it everywhere and anywhere. I love this stuff. It's just a really thick cream, moisturizing cream. If you have really dry skin or dry patches, this is perfect. All right, day 21. Ooh, this box is heavy and this product is big. I like that. All right. Oh, you know what? There was something else in that box. Oh, I think it was just, oh no, there was definitely two things in that box. Okay, I'm glad I picked that back up. Was there supposed to be two things in this box? Okay, there was. All right, so this is, it looks like it's a facial mask, a sheet mask, and a facial boosting moisture essence toner. These look like they're full-size products. Yeah, full-size products. The brand is Vita Brid. The mask retails for $7. The water retails for $28. Okay, day 22. Let's go to the other side. There you are, hiding from me. This is by the brand 111 Skin, another very popular brand amongst the beauty boxes recently. Deluxe size sample. This is the cleansing balm. Retails for $17.50. No scent to this really. I know that this brand is usually really expensive. Yeah, a full size is $70. Okay, day 23. So Christmas Eve's Eve is the brand Medic 8. Their C Texture Vitamin C Serum, possibly. Deluxe size sample, retails for $12.50. Just says it's a C Textra Luxe. No, Tetra Luxe. Yeah, it says after cleansing in the morning, massage 6 drops precisely 6 drops across your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave to absorb before applying moisturizer. So it's definitely a serum. I feel like vitamin C serums are so popular right now. I've gotten dozens of them in these beauty boxes, so I don't need another one. All right, Christmas Eve, the 24th. Let's see. Oh, a box inside of a box. A satin pillowcase. How cute is that? I definitely have some silk pillowcases, but no satin pillowcases. So this is by the brand The Vintage Company. This is it's just their satin pillowcase, I think. Once Upon a Dream satin pillowcase. Retails for $9.99. That's actually not bad. Typically stuff like this retails, like I know is it the Silk brand or Slip brand retails for a lot more than that. So nice and soft. These are really good for your skin, for your hair. All right, Christmas Day, day 25. So you wake up on Christmas Day, you're ready to run downstairs and see what Santa left you. But first, you gotta check your advent calendar. And you get 2 products, brushes. Ooh, I'm glad they saved, it kind of seems like the best for last on here. So you get some brushes. So these are full-size brushes, obviously, by the brand Elena Badrow. These retail for $34. So it looks like there are a couple of eye brushes, and then a Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette. So this is full size, retails for $25. Oh, those are pretty colors. You got some like taupey browns over here. You got a glittery pink, a glittery gold, like a regular gold, and then like a champagne color here. I'm not a huge fan of gold eyeshadows, but this one's like a brown with gold glitter. I do really like these colors over here and the pink. So those are pretty colors. I mean, definitely like fall. I can get big fall vibes from looking at that. So this is good. I'm glad they saved this, you know, for last. Okay guys, well that is everything that is inside of this Glossybox advent calendar. I don't know that I would say it's worth $500 or $550, but it's definitely worth, you know, $80, $90. So something worth looking into to pick up if you're a big beauty fan or an advent calendar fan. You're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck with this advent calendar. This came with a ton of full-size samples or full-size products. Worth checking out. I will link it down in my description box again if you wanna check it out. Thank you Glossybox for sending this to me to share with my subscribers. I love advent calendars. I got so excited when I opened this in the mail. So anyways, that is it for now. And yeah, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.